Oh, hey, what's going on, everybody? So, there's this trending coffee going on right now on the interwebs that it's very Instagrammable. Everybody's doing it. It's on TikTok. I hate TikTok, but you know what? It looks pretty cool, so I'm going to show you guys how to make it because I'm sure you don't know how to do it. So, let's go over the ingredients real quick. First thing we got, you're gonna need whole milk. No, you can use any milk that you want. I just have whole milk because this is the last thing at the grocery store. Next thing we got, you're gonna need instant coffee. You cannot use regular coffee, you need instant. This is store brand, it's fine, it doesn't matter. That's what you need. Next thing, a sweetener. I'm using Sola low calorie sweetener. You can use regular sugar, you can use Swerve or anything, it doesn't matter. You just need a sweetener. That's what you need. Also, I'm doing it iced, and this is a half full of ice because if you fill it all the way up, then it's gonna be a mess. Trust me, half full of ice. A tablespoon, a spatula or a spoon, and an egg beater. Or if you're really cool and you have strong forearms, you can go ahead and use a fork. It's gonna take forever, but people do it. Or a whisk. You can do that too, whatever. But we're trying to do this fast, so whisk. So first things first, everything is going to be equal parts unless you hate sweetness. If you hate sweetness, then dial it back. But you're gonna do 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. So we're gonna do that here real quick. 2 tablespoons right her. Bang. Get out of here. Then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of the sweetener. Like I said, if you don't like sweet stuff, then do 1 tablespoon or whatever you want. Whatever goes in your morning coffee. We're going to do 2 because that's what the recipe says. Cool. That's all I need that for. Then, ooh, my bad. I completely forgot to tell you guys about another ingredient. 2 tablespoons of water. It's very important. Let me grab this. 1, 2. I was also having this thought that instead of the water, you could just use a shot of whiskey, because why not? And 2 tablespoons equals 1 shot, just so you guys know. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to whisk this for like a minute and a half, 2 minutes. I'm gonna go into a time-lapse mode so it doesn't take that long. So time-lapsing right now. All right, that should be good. You're looking for soft peaks, okay? Soft peaks, obviously, they're not hard peaks. It's jiggly, but it's still firm. Basically, you're making coffee whipped cream. That's basically what it is. There's no cream in it, but you get what I'm saying. Also, since I haven't said it yet, and I'm a fool, this is called DALGONA coffee. It's from Korea. Just so you know, the region. Next up, once you got your soft peaks, you're gonna go ahead and take your milk of sorts, or your, almond milk, oat milk, as everybody is. I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up to about, I don't know what, about right there, I'd say. That looks good. Sick. All right, so now you'll just take all of this magical goop, and we're just gonna try and delicately put it in the coffee, or in the milk. Oh yeah, it's lit. You're gonna want to use a rubber spatula because it's the most versatile tool you can use for this kind of recipe. Oh man. And then if you're rich, you can use 2 rubber spatulas to get the stuff off the other rubber spatula. Look at that right now. Good God Almighty. All right, let's go. Are you kidding me right now? That's Instagram genius right there. That's Instagrammable. Does it taste good? I don't know. I have never done this before. This is brand new. You're doing this with me. So I have a bar spoon, right? So after you do this point, you're going to want to pause. You're going to want to take your Instagram photos. Hold on. Real time right now. Hold on. Get that spoon out the way. Let me make sure everybody knows. Oh, this is where the magic starts, okay? Oh, man. Come on, move away. Oh, yeah, natural light. All right, now that we got the Instagram action going, we're good. So I guess because this is undrinkable the way it is right now, I guess you're going to go ahead and just, I guess, ruin it. I don't know. This is what I see people do. They just do one of these and try and mix it up like chocolate milk. It's working. Let me just try this whipped cream real quick. It's actually very good. It is very good. It's just very strong because it's straight coffee. Come on. See, they don't do this on TikTok, do they? The hard part of this. The milk definitely helps, though. So once you get the craziness down and you start mixing it up, and it starts to become an actual thing, well, then I guess you're good to go. Oh, it's still so strong. Still so strong. But anyway, there you have it. This is the DALGONA. What's it called? So there you have it. This is the DALGONA coffee from Korea and TikTok, apparently. It is actually pretty good. It's just, to me, it's inconvenient. And you're just doing it for likes on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. This has been a cooking video by me. You going in? The coffee at the bottom is way better. It's like coffee ice cream. Honest to God. It's like coffee ice cream. It's very good. Make it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you.